This is the exact $666 gaming PC build for Atkotion 052FR. Like and subscribe, and let's start. CPU, Ryzen 5 5600, $110. GPU, Radeon RX 6600, $250. Motherboard, B550, $80. RAM, 16 gigabytes. DDR4, $40. Storage, 512 gigabytes. NVMe, $35. PSU, 550 watts. Bronze, $50. Case Airflow Mid-Tower, $40. Cooling, GAMX X, 400. V2, $61. Total exactly $666. Performance. Expect 100 to 140 frames per second in competitive games and 60 to 90 frames per second in the Walele titles at 1080p Ultra. Drop your budget in the comments for your own build.